yeah. What are you doing with my little hot rod?
You've been cranking miles on this thing like crazy. Where have you been going?
I drive. It's a shop floor.
Yeah,
I gotta go here, I go take that. I gotta go there, I go with this.
That's what I'm saying.
The oil change. Are you gonna do the oil? Can you handle that?
I think so.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
First thing we do, look at the V8 powered Chevy Aveo. Why?
This winter exists.
Oh, man. That's how you do it.
And this car never says no to me. What is back here?
Ice.
I hate the winter. Oh my God, look at my suspension.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's the winner.
My tires are shot.
I know the ball. Yeah, I know.
I think we need bushings.
Just keep
And
going.
it goes like nobody's business in the snow.
Get it. This doesn't have ABS.
That's why it goes.
It doesn't have traction control. It's just a car. No sensors. The windows aren't even power. They're hand. I love it.
Hand?
Manual. You know,
Manual. You open them by hand.
You open
with
them
your
by
own
hand. Right.
Now, what kind of filter did you get me? Not them cheap things.
No. K&N.
You got a K&N one?
Yeah, I got a whole shelf.
That's what's in it now.
You take this off, that unscrews, pull out your cartridge, place it, put it back together, and that's how you do it.
You know, for a long time, I didn't know that K&N made oil filters.
I know, right?
You know what I'm going to look into next? Air filter has not been changed since I got the car. And I think I'm going to look into the K&N air filter too. No, it's good. Look, it's still holding
It's
up.
good.
It's holding up good. It's supposed to squish a little in the middle because of the way it's made. This way it seals. Hey, you want to know? You want to hear a funny little story? When I was a kid doing oil change, we had this metal thing this big with a handle and a metal spout that used to flex. That was what we used to put oil. We had a 55-gallon drum with a handle that you turn. Fill up the canister. I'm putting oil in the car, and you know, I was little. I was younger than you. I'm putting oil in a car, and I couldn't reach good, and you start getting tired, right? And I went to readjust myself, and the spout came out of the hole and went right on the exhaust manifold. I put a nice, like a puddle about this big. That car stunk when we started it. Oh my God, you had to wait for it to dry off. So we had to drive and then dry. Can't give it back to a customer, stinking. That's no good, right? And everybody was mad at me. That's all right.
This is your rubber seal right here. Take that off, that's your old one. And then the K&N filter comes with a brand new. Did you know the color of the filter and the seal is the same color of the car?
Whatever, you don't see it.
And bada boom. The filter has these 4 little prongs and it clips in. And like this.
Here's another can. Oh, I didn't mean that. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I'm so sorry. Here's another can. Here's another can.
Yeah, we get scratchy. Yeah. No, we're on max. No, it's actually kind of quiet.
You need a little more. Done deal.
We shall check it.
Oh, right under the dot. Right on the money, baby.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Taking over the world. One set of oil changes on the poop box at a time. I can't swear.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.